Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Matthews here from M&L Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. So I'm here with another new video for you guys. It's a trade breakdown of Euro New Zealand setup that we had on Monday on the daily time frame. We had a very beautiful setup, as you can see from our screen right now. We had a really nice setup here. So let me just zoom in a little bit. As you can see, the market around this level, the overall trend is actually down, as you can see. So this one is a continuation QM setup, right? So what we had is this right there. So we had a nice QM low and the higher high, then break of structure, where the market created a new low right there. Of course, this was a retracement following the main lower downtrend, right? So the market put up here right here, giving us a QML low and a higher high, then resistance, resistance, and then break of structure right there. By the way, this is the daily time frame. If you know what I'm talking about, you know it, right? If you can have such a move on the daily time frame, look at this. It responded beautifully on our level right there. And guess what? It was our fresh supply zone right here. Check it out. Look at this, exactly at that level. How accurate is that, guys? How accurate is that? Okay, so we had a QML low and higher high, and then lower low. We had a resistance, support and resistance. Traders were probably trying to sell at this level here, right? Putting the stop losses above there. And what happened? They got banned. And guess what? After getting banned, the market dropped according to what they thought it was going to do, right? So that's what happened, guys. And this was a very nice setup, very beautiful setup. So check it out on the let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Look at that move. This is the move that we had from our level right there. And if you can measure this setup, it's about so far it's about 268 pips. This move you're seeing from here to here is about 268 pip move. That's big. And this was just on Monday. This trade happened on, I spotted this trade on Monday and actually shared it with our private community on Monday. And guess what? 3 days later, the market has moved 268 pips. This was a trade right here. Euro NZD sell, stop loss right there, take profit right there, and of course, remembering to use proper risk management. As you can see, this was the trade before. As you can see from here, this is the day time frame, and the market was right there, exactly where my fresh supply zone is, and the market literally is right here somewhere about 268 pips in profit. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. I I really love this strategy, guys. You have no idea. It's so convenient. I don't have to be checking my setups every now and then. It's amazing like that. Okay, so let me just share with you another setup that I just shared this afternoon with our private community. It was actually a trade on a GBP JPY. Let me just show you right here. Very nice setup, very similar setup. You can see right, a QML low, higher high, and a lower low, break of structure. Had a resistance, and the resistance had what? The market pushed to the upside and took the liquidity that liquidity above there. And guess what happened? Let's check it out right now. This was of course on the 33 minutes time frame, and let's see how it has moved. So let's look at GBP JPY right here, and let's Let's go to the 33 minutes time frame. I mean 3 hour time frame. What I love is the accuracy. Look, exactly at that level, and we had a very beautiful drop. Maybe you can appreciate it on that level. Let me go to the 30 minutes time frame. Look, we entered right here. As you've seen, the market was just right there after that rejection, and the rejection is here. And guess what? The market has already moved about 30 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 30, about 40 pips, exactly 40 pips. I mean, like, this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. And this particular trade setup is about it's about 300 and something pips. If we can measure with these two right there, our target is about 350 pips, guys. And our stop loss is literally about our stop loss is literally, let me check. So I entered from here and the market was there. There's about 35 pips somewhere there, and our target is about 350 pips, and that's a risk reward ratio of 1 to 10, guys. And you can see the market has already moved beautifully and it's still moving. Hopefully it's going to continue going down, right? That's a very beautiful move. And guess what? We're using the same strategy, same, nothing complicated, right? So let me show you another setup. Remember I shared a setup yesterday, right? Yeah, let me just show you that particular trade. Of course, that was a USD JPY, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was. So let me just give an update. You remember I sent the signal both in our private community, our public community, and also shared it on Facebook actually. How crazy is that, guys? Shared the same setup on Facebook, private community, and public community. If you can remember, the setup was right here when I shared it. And guess what? The market dropped and retraced, and right now we are at this level where it's still consolidating. And from where we entered from, the market has moved over 30 pips. That's very nice. And the market is still moving. We're hoping for more movement to the downside. Of course, we have no guarantee that that's going to happen, but I mean, we have an edge, right? So this is the USD JPY trade I shared both in our private and public community. You can see this is the before and you've already seen the after, right? Very nice setups, guys. This is how it is. So you guys, these are very nice setups. If you're enjoying this content, by the way, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, make sure that you hit that bell notification so that you get to be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys, you've been amazing. I really thank you for your support. Make sure that you continue watching our videos, and we'll continue providing valuable content. All right, thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you. Until next time, goodbye.